Alright, so in today's video I am playing the Battle Cats, which you might have heard of, but it's basically a game where you have a cat army that can almost be considered cats. Actually no, they can be nowhere near considered cats. Some of them are just Greek gods. I could have Zeus. Anyways, so I did the tutorial because I want to explain it. Anyways, how to use items. Tap an item icon you want to use. Note, please select your items before battle. So yeah, I've no items because I just did the tutorial because I want to explain it. So, it's a battle game where you're the cat on the right side and you've got to try to invade Earth. And on the left side are the dogs. I suppose they're not dogs. The first enemies are dogs. I could be trying to invade a giant slappy bear, a giant zombie slappy bear. So anyways, but these first levels are kind of normal. It's not really cats. Like, these first levels, I could have backflipping penguins and crocodiles. Anyways. So, attack. Also, I used to think that this game, you were trying to save Earth. I soon realised that we were trying to invade it when it said attack instead of save. Anyways, I'm going to send out my cat. This is normal cat. This is the only normal cat you're ever going to see. So just memorise them in your head. Look, they're not only dogs. I have snake. Also, cats are really worthless. And everything. And you can also upgrade your rich cat or your You can upgrade your worker cat, which increases the money you get, allowing you to produce more cats. And there are like upgrades to help, like that cooldown bar next to the cat, make that speed up. Further on in the game, it will be going zooming. Anyways. Also, the music in this game is awesome. Yeah, so yeah. You can see up in the top right, there's money. And right now I have a maximum capacity of 300 coins, which I can only use on 50 coin cats. But I'm not going to explain too much about the later games, and I'm not going to explain anything else. I'll just tell you when we get to it. That's a lot of cats in one space. I got 1,300 XP, and I can use that to upgrade cats or get new cats. For instance, I told you I was going to be the only normal cat. So I'll show you what this cat looks like. So it costs 50 more coins. It's 100 coins instead of only 50. I'll try and save up enough to show you, and it's going to happen. But normal cats, be gone. Also, that's not a tank. That is a sosage cat. I'm going to call you ordinary. Anyway, I'm going to name you Sausage Cat. You're basically a sausage. And also, he attacks with just headbutting his opponents. Great attack plan. I highly advise to use that when you're invading a planet. Smashing your skull as well as theirs is a sacrifice willing to make. My sausage cat. No. Also, you can level up your cats and eventually evolve them. Right now, I've only got the basic cats because this is only the 3rd level. So, also, they're gaining on my base. That's a bit of a problem right now because the money comes in so slow that I can really only get cats, normal cats. But I'm gonna upgrade my worker cats so that money comes in a bit faster, sort of, kinda, not really, but yeah, the max level is level 8. As you in the bottom left, I'm only level 6. I've got to get 240 coins, and then you can level it up to level 7, and then the max level 8. But I might not do that. That pile of cats is really destroying absolutely everything. I'm going to show you the cat laser. So it doesn't cost anything to fire the cat laser. And I'll show you what it does. Snakes are a bit faster. Maybe I'll only be able to get like half the pack before this stupid snake gets to my base. It does... It just kills everything. And I can send out cat and sausage cat. I love saying sausage cats. But yeah, you can see in the bottom left, my worker cat is now max level. Also, time flies when you're playing this game. I've played 2 levels and the video's already 7 minutes in. Time flies. I wonder how many hours I've spent playing this game. I don't know why I fired my cat cannon. I'm just so used to firing it whenever possible because it just goes across the entire board. But this is like really early game because I do have. Yeah, I play this out like off video a lot, and that's an understatement. I play it too much off camera. But it looks like my army of sausage cats is going to beat. But you can tell they're a cat because of the cat face and the cat ears and their 4 legs kinda. Anyways, there's a new cat waiting to be upgraded. Why did I say Axe cat. It requires no XP, so I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna level him up until I can level up no more. And I'm also gonna send out tank cat, upgrade tank cat to level 2, and upgrade cat to level 2. What is this? I don't care. I only have 30 cat food right now. Cat food is basically like, yeah, it's premium currency of the game. And look, I just you can only buy it and get it through these or events or looking in every day. So anyways, also it's not unlocked yet, but I've got 100. Right, let's go. Thailand for 6 energy. Let's go. What did I say? 6 energy. It's 8 energy. I'm gonna try and spawn an axe cat. I might have to spawn a not regular cat or sausage cat. And if you get confused, it's not actually called sausage cat, it's tank cat. But how can you not call that a sausage cat? It doesn't look anything like a tank. Anyways, I may have to send out another one, but I really don't want to. I want to save up for Axe Cat. Come on, I'm so close. I'm not going to spend any money on upgrading. Haha. Axe Cat. Fire. The cat cannon. Cat laser. I switch between. I say cat cannon and cat laser. It's really a laser that then plans where it's going to fire the cannon. So, can you blame me for calling it both? Right now there's not much strategy except if you just send out cats, because you can send them out whenever you want, you will fail. There's not much strategy. It becomes a really strategic game later on. I keep forgetting that it doesn't go all the way to the end. I'm so used to it going all the way to the end because I've played this game a lot. Right, nice. 1900 XP, I will take that. And, ooh, Thailand cleared. 2000 XP. Another 4000 XP. And I can upgrade the cats, but special cats. Oh yeah, you can acquire gods. Remember what I said when it's not only cats? Yeah, I don't consider God a cat unless he is a cat. Who knows? But look, you can also upgrade. I'm gonna upgrade increasing the rate of income. Yes, very useful. So now I'll get money faster, and also range is something I want, and the charge, so it takes less time to charge up, and fire, and it fires feather. Yeah, let's try that out on Cambodia. You can tell how much I play this game. I know the lyrics to a science. Anyways, the answer is always more Axe Cat. Right, fire the cat cannon in victory. Right, I got a treasure. Inferior smiles of children. It doesn't sound like I'm a cat. It sounds like Anyways, I think that's a good time to end the episode. So, remember, like, subscribe, bye.